Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informed video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon Plus Play, which is a new bundling service offered by Verizon. So it says it will bundle customer subscriptions for Netflix, Peloton, Disney Plus, and more. So this is not anything kind of new with them doing bundles. Of course, there's Hulu, ESPN, and Disney as well. So this looks like now you're getting Netflix, Peloton, Disney Plus, and more. So let's go ahead and check it out. It's through Verizon. So of course Verizon has some good stuff and good network, of course. So it says Verizon announced Thursday that it's launched a new platform in partnership with Netflix, Peloton, Disney Plus, and other streamers as a hub for customers to discover, purchase, and manage some of their favorite subscriptions. So if you think about it, this is kind of a smart move for them to do this, because if they're gonna have all this partnerships with them, you know, they could be, maybe they have some exclusive Disney Plus. I would even think merchandise, or maybe they'll have a subscription to Peloton at a discounted rate, or even try to sell you their services. So these new subscriptions all will be kind of like in a bundle place. It's going to be called Plus Play. It says the platform will launch with a select group of customers and brands at the end of the month, with a wider launch later this year, the company said in a news release. So they're going to be doing kind of like a beta, or just kind of like a test. They're going to have a test market. You know, only a few customers will get this and see how well it goes. If it goes good, they're going to, you know, launch it, which they're expecting to launch it to the masses later on, or towards the end of this year. It says Plus Play will centralize streaming subscription services with no additional cost to Verizon subscribers. So wow, that's pretty good news, because everybody knows Verizon is the most expensive carrier out of all of them that we currently have, at least the top four, you know, with that being you know, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and I guess US Cellular. That would be four. So it says you will have these subscription services centralized in one area for no extra cost to Verizon subscribers, which is nice. Plus Play will let Verizon customers manage subscriptions across devices and provide information about deals on content services. So it's not like they're going to give you all these services for one bundle price. It looks like you might be able to get a discount on it. And you know, maybe you don't want subscription to Netflix or something like that, and you do want it for Peloton or something like that. You can manage all that across your devices. And you can get special deals, it looks like, which is pretty nice. It says it's discount for access to the Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus bundle, and other promotional offers. It says, however, Verizon and other service providers you'll want to keep an eye out on the fine print. It says sometimes signing up for a discount automatically opts in users to data collection, which, you know, they're using this data collection to either better be informed of what, you know, their target audience is considering or looking for. I mean, guys, you know, it's the same thing as if I talk about snow boots and then I'll go on Facebook, I'll probably get an ad about snow boots. I mean, your phone is probably listening to you guys right now, if you guys don't know. So there's not much privacy anymore. So, you know, if you're opting in to, you know, getting data collected on you, then, you know, this might be something good for you. You know, like I said, it's already happening. It says it's custom experience plus program that tracks location data, who you call, and what websites you visit. Lots of tracking stuff. Like I said, data is actually a really important thing to have. Collect this data. So like I said, because it can target you better as a consumer with ads and stuff like that. So, you know, like I said, if I go to Walmart all the time, I'll probably get ads about Walmart because I'm going there a lot, you know. So, or websites that you visit. So it says the company said in the news release that as more streaming platforms launch across various content areas like gaming, music, and news, that will become difficult for customers to know what they have, which is real nice, what may be available to them, and whether they're getting the best value out of their subscription. So that is kind of true. If you think about it, it's smart for the companies that want to opt into this service. So like, let's say Netflix, you know, they might be like, yo, check us out, we're having a discount deal right now. Instead of $15 a month or whatever Netflix is, you might be able to get for, you know, $10 for a limited time offer or stuff like that. So it's pretty good. Or, you know, some gaming or music or even news. they want to have a whole hub, kind of what Xbox used to do or wanted to do with, watching TV and getting all your content through Xbox, which is pretty nice. So that's a nice little thing to look at. It says also during its Thursday Investor Day event, Verizon announced a partnership with Facebook parent company Meta that will explore how the companies can collaborate in a future metaverse. So of course, metaverse is such a big thing if you're thinking about it. Let's say we go on, and start, I don't know, being on VR chat or something like that, and Verizon pops up an ad. It's targeting a vast majority of customers. And like I said, this is also important for the other companies because they're targeting a big group of people, so they can also advertise to you guys. Maybe there's some games on sale. Let's say we get some Steam access stuff and be like, well, you can get this game currently $60, you can get it for $40 or something like that. So that can target everybody. It says the partnership will look at ways to use Verizon's 5G network with Meta's technologies to understand the foundational requirements for metaverse applications. Sorry, got something stuck in my throat. It says, of course, Mark Zuckerberg has made building out the metaverse a key initiative for the company formerly known as Facebook. So of course, Facebook doesn't want to die out. They're trying to be something more. Like, they don't want to be, MySpace that, after a couple of years, popularity died down and Facebook took over. So Facebook wants to be the giant that it is. And, I don't know, maybe in the future, they're trying to integrate a lot of Facebook things with different things. Like I said, Tesla is not just a car company. It also collects data. So it's everything's collecting data. Data is important because it can structure how people are thinking, what they're doing, where they're going, at what time, so they can target the customer at that point. So it's kind of like advertisement. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this new feature coming into Verizon. So Plus Play. Let me know in the comments below, guys.